How to answer common interview question on challenges faced in your current role with manager and company.
Hi there. Have you ever been asked during interview what are the challenges you faced in your current role or with manager or company? Do you know why interviewer asking this question? Here, they are trying to assess your abilities, whether based on work experience, whether you have matured professionally. Here, interviewer trying to understand your learning. He is also checking whether you see challenges and opportunity for improvement, and also are able to share your learnings. Lastly, he is trying to gauge you whether your skill set match with the position you have applied for. How to answer? Prepare by taking example of challenges you faced in your work area and how it helped to develop you professionally. Please highlight your learning and don't tell stories. Rather, keep it simple and brief. Lastly, it is very important, don't talk negative about your manager or about company.
Just to recap what we discussed just now. Please use below approach to prepare your write-up. First, introduction. Tell about your role and also you should stress the criticality of your role. Then list down the challenges you faced in your work area. You should also highlight your learning from these challenges. Ensure you indicate to the interviewer that your current skill set are similar to the position you have applied for. Avoid telling long story because you might bore your interviewer. Strict no to repetition of the challenges you faced, thinking that interviewer didn't understood particular challenge. Lastly, be prepared with couple of achievements from your previous job experience, as there might be a possibility of interviewer might asking for it. In this sample answer, if you observe, I've highlighted a few responsibilities which are critical in nature and also given indication on understanding of the challenges faced by the customer by me and also my approach in resolving their issue or keeping communication open because these are the learning which I want to highlight to the interviewer. As discussed, you should always avoid talking anything bad about your manager and company, even though you may be right about your manager. And if you talk something negative, then it may raise doubt in the mind of interviewer, despite you being right. This is because interviewer may think you are part of the problem and entire incident might have actually caused by your own action and behavior. If your interviewer still insists on telling one such instance from your career, then you should tell one incident, but at the same time, you should stress on how you have tackled the situation and end result and your learning. But please remember, you can choose your own God, but only few lucky people in this corporate world can choose their own boss. Here I have given two such examples. Example 1 being about manager, example 2 about company. In first example, I spoke about my manager having a habit of giving feedback in work area which is not good. As it has been taught to all manager, give feedback to your team member for his mistake in a closed meeting room but appreciate his good work in front of everyone. This answer have steps like how I tackled entire situation diplomatically by waiting for one-to-one to convey my concern. End result was avoiding such awkward moment for self and it also benefited my colleagues too. Learning is never suffer, rather you express your concern openly with your manager because it always get appreciated. Moreover, you also appreciated your manager for his process knowledge and his willingness to share in the end. This really impresses your interviewer on your maturity level. About not carrying negative feeling about your manager because of this incident. Rather, you also appreciated him for the things he has done good. In second sample answer, I spoke negatively about company for not having good BCP plan and losing a lot of customers. And currently they're paying only 75% of our salary. But I also ended thanking company for the opportunity and making me a better person professionally. Now, please use given approach and sample answer as a base and come up with your own answer for the challenges you faced in the current role with manager and company. Please do refer other materials available in internet, but come up with your own write up because your answer should not look copied, rather it should come from your own work experience. Hope you found this video useful, and please do subscribe our channel as it encourages us to come up with more topics like this. Thank you and all the very best.